How to fix Dell monitor not turning on. So if you want to fix Dell monitor not turning on, then what you need to do is just follow a few steps. First things first, check your power connections. Is the power cable plugged in securely? Make sure the outlet works by testing it with another device. If everything looks fine, but your Dell monitor is still off, let's move on to the next step. Check your monitor's power button. Hold it down for a few seconds to make sure it's responding. If still no luck, then try unplugging the monitor completely and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and power it on again. If it's still not turning on, the problem could be with the video cable. Now let's swap out the HDMI or DisplayPort cable, whichever one you're using. Sometimes a faulty cable is the culprit. If you have another monitor or device connect to it using the same cable to see if it works, and if it does, the monitor might need a reset. If none of that worked, it's time for a hard reset. Unplug the monitor from the power source and disconnect all the cables, including the video cable. Then press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After that, reconnect everything and power it on. If your Dell monitor still isn't running on, it's time to consider a possible hardware issue and reaching out to Dell support might be your next step. So that's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.